Welcome back to our channel DevOps Invent. In today's video, we are going to explore how to master in Azure Data Engineering, the complete guide for 2023. This capability allows us to incorporate custom code, scripts, or activities into our data workflows. Let's dive in. Mastering. Unlock your potential with expert tips, certifications, and essential skills for becoming a top Azure data engineer. Azure Data Engineering is a sought-after skill set that allows professionals to design and manage data infrastructure on Microsoft's Azure Cloud platform. Managing data in Azure Data Lake. Azure Data Lake is a scalable storage service that enables you to store structured and unstructured data. Securing and monitoring data in Azure Data Lake. Authentication, authorization, and encryption techniques are used to secure your data in Azure Data Lake. Build data ingestion pipelines using Azure Data Factory. Azure Data Factory is a data integration service that allows you to create, schedule, and manage data workflows in the cloud. Azure Data Factory Integration Runtime. Integration Runtime, here, is the core component of Azure Data Factory responsible for executing data movement and data transformation activities. Configuring and securing Azure SQL Database. Azure SQL Database is a database service that is fully managed. Implementing high availability and monitoring in Azure SQL Database. Ensuring high availability and monitoring Azure SQL Database is essential for maintaining uptime, detecting issues, and mitigating potential risks. Processing data using Azure Databricks. Azure Databricks is a fast, easy-to-use Apache Spark-based analytics platform optimized for Azure. Processing data using Azure Synapse Analytics. Understanding data processing with Azure Synapse Analytics enables data engineers to create powerful analytics solutions that drive insights and decision-making. Transforming data using Azure Synapse Data Flows. Data engineers can use Azure Synapse Data Flows to create visual, scalable data transformation logic for data processing within Synapse Analytics workspaces. Building the serving layer in Azure Synapse SQL Pool. Azure Synapse SQL Pool is an MPP database that provides fast query performance for large-scale analytics. Monitoring Synapse SQL and Spark pools. Azure Monitor, Synapse Studio, and built-in monitoring tools are essential for monitoring your Synapse SQL and Spark pools. I hope you found this information helpful. Please subscribe for more videos at DevOps Invent. Thank you for watching.